Have you noticed a foul smell around your catch basin? Or maybe patches of grass nearby are turning brown and dying? These are clear signs that your catch basin may need repair. Our expert team specializes in catch basin repairs, whether it's sealing cracks, replacing damaged pipes, or even rebuilding it completely. We'll restore your catch basin to full working condition, making it as good as new. If your catch basin is filled with soapy water or grease, we will pump it out to provide adequate access for internal repairs. Whether the job is straightforward or requires extra effort, we have the experience and equipment to manage any repair with ease. We have the appropriate equipment to conduct repairs safely and effectively, safeguarding surrounding areas from damage, and this task should be entrusted to trained professionals. Our team is dedicated to taking the necessary time to ensure a thorough repair, utilizing the best materials available. This commitment results in a catch basin that is fully functional and built to last for years. With a new catch basin, you can eliminate issues such as water backups, foul odors, erosion, and damage to your landscaping, ensuring effective drainage and a healthier environment. Contact us today for professional catch basin repair services.